കളിവിമാനം ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ എളുപ്പമാണ്. പക്ഷേ യഥാർത്ഥ വിമാനം ഉണ്ടാക്കാനോ? തൊടുപുഴയ്ക്കടുത്ത് തട്ടക്കുഴിയിലെ ബധിരനും മൂകനുമായ ഒരു യുവാവ് വിമാനമുണ്ടാക്കാനുള്ള ശ്രമത്തിലാണ്. വിമാനത്തിന്റെ പണി ഏതാണ്ട് പൂർത്തിയാവുകയും ചെയ്തു.
വിമാനമുണ്ടാക്കാൻ 35,000 രൂപ ചെലവ് വന്നു. വീട്ടുപോയ
ജനുവരിയിൽ
39 years old Saji Thomas is deaf and dumb by birth, but this handicap did not stop He had to use all available resources in the making of this airport Saji. For the last 10 years, Saji has been striving to fulfill his desire, facing financial and other difficulties, taking it as a challenge. A very notable thing is that all those who stand by him to help him, he pleads those who can offer help him in this regard. Financial crises have been the major obstacles on his way, but a few kind of people came forward with financial assistance and he could finish the work. Saji says that his greatest desire is to see his plane take to the skies. He hopes that our President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who himself is what he would do if he didn't got the job. His answer was that without this, he wouldn't have a life. So, he needed a job badly. Now, this is what this young man asked. Do you have anything for me? I have greater ideas and talents. Can you help me to put them all into practical use?